Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4, Chapter 10, and the chapter name is Our Industries. So, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. You can complete the project work also, because once the school is going to open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, so it's better that you should complete your all homework on time. You have a lots of time, then please do not waste your time. Time is like a money. If once it's gone, then it never come again. So it's better that you should complete it. You have a lots of time. You can complete the homework in your fair copy, or you can complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and please use dark pencil. I might guess that you guys have completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. And please follow all the prescriptions, all the guidelines which government has told us to follow. Do not interact with other person, just be at home. Do not go outside, stay inside and enjoy the online classes and enjoy the time with family members. You can enjoy watching the television also. You can read the books also. You can learn also. And once the online class will over, then you can read the books once again. And so let's start the chapter. It's page number 65. So please take out your page number 65. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So here we go. We are going to start the chapter. Now, have you ever wondered where the clothes that you wear and the brush in which you go to school and the sugar that you add to your milk comes from? Now, have you wondered that these clothes which we wear, that from where it comes, the buses in which you go to, from where it comes, and the sugar which we added in a milk or in a tea, then from where it comes? Then these are made in a factory using natural resources. So these all things, our daily lives, daily products, these all made in a factory by using natural resources. When natural resources are transformed into more useful product with the help of human labor or machines, the process is called manufacturing or industries. So when the natural resources something when we changed into more useful products, the useful products with the help of human labor, machines, or this process, that is called manufacturing, or it is called industry. In this chapter we will study about industries in India. So in this chapter we will study about the industries in India. So the factors needed for industries. What the main factors for industry we need? First of all, we need the machine, we need the raw material, we need the one land so that we can build factory, then labors, then transporting system. So for these all we need for industry, for set up industry, we need all this. So there are certain things needed to set up an industry. It's written here. Please, you can underline it. That what the factors we need to set up an industry. So you can underline the first line that there are certain things there are certain things needed to set up an industry. There are certain things needed to set up an industry, such as raw materials, machines, power, labor, finance and transport. With the help of these certain things, we can set up our industries. Next, the basic commodities used in the process of manufacturing product are called raw materials. So the basic things that used in a process of manufacturing product to make some new products, we need that is called a raw materials. Like for example, iron ore is the raw material for iron and steel industry. Exactly, like iron ore is what we can extract iron ore, and then it helps to make the irons, bridge, machines, industries. So iron ore is what? It is a raw material and for the iron and steel industry. Like again, sugarcane is what? Sugarcane again, it's a raw material, and then from where we can change and we can transform into a sugar industry. So the main product here, if sugar industry is there, then the main product raw material, that is sugarcane. So it can change with the help of machines and with the help of laborers, it changes into sugar. So that becomes a sugar industry. So see, it's written sugarcane is the raw material for the sugar industry. So like just cotton cloth, then cotton is a raw material for the cotton industries. Next, we require machine to turn these raw materials into finished or final goods. So second things we need, the most important for industry, that is machine. So we require machine. That the machine helps to change that raw materials into finished and final goods. For examples, like cotton balls, like cotton, it's a raw materials, are processed and made into cotton cloth with the help of machines. So example one is giving you like a machines. If machine is there and we have a cotton ball, that is we can call a raw material also. So with the help of machine, there is a process, we can do process, and then after we can make the cotton into cotton cloths with the help of machines. So machine is also important factors for industries. Next, we need power. Power, it is not the means power and these all. Power is like electricity to run machines. If electricity is there, then we can run machine. If machine is there, then if labor is there, then they can just make the all raw material into a final goods. So they all is what? They all just become a chain with each other, the factors of the industries. So we need the electricity also to run the machines. Power can be produced in different ways. Power it can produce is what? It can produce it in different ways. Like thermal power is produced from coal, gas and oil. Nuclear or atom power is produced in nuclear power plants, and hydroelectricity power is produced from water. So you can see that different power is producing from different ways. Like thermal power we can produce from with the help of coal, gas and oil. The nuclear and atomic power we can produce it from the nuclear power plants, and hydroelectricity power which we can produce the electricity from water. So these all are the different things from where different products from where we can take a power from in different ways. Next page, it's page number 66. Now, industries need people who can think, plan, design and finally make a product. So if we have the machines, raw materials, the power, and for making industry, for set up an industry, we need a people because they have brain, they can who they can think, they can play that how we can run industry, they can design the production and they can design everything, and then final they can make a product. So for all these things we need, for setup industry, we need the machines, and we need power, we need money, we need everything. So here what industries is what? There where people can think, plan and design. Therefore various forms of labor. So we have a different forms of labor where they can set up a industry, like engineers, scientists, managers and workers. They are required to run an industry. To run in a good industry, for a good industry, these all are required as a labor. Now about the next topic, money and the different category of industry, that we will see in the lecture number 2. So please guys watch lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.